Hi, I'm Suzanne from Direct Home Solutions. If you need to sell your house fast, if you're looking for an investor to buy your home for cash, if you need out for whatever reason, everyone has life changes. If you are about to be foreclosed upon, if you have an illness or a change of employment, even going through a divorce, I'm really sorry that you're going through this. I'm here to help. If you need someone to come in and make you a cash offer, go to my website at BuyMyHouse.Today. That's BuyMyHouse.Today. Fill out the form. We are investors. We will buy your house. We can close on any date that is good for you. Just about. I mean, if you say I need it closed in 24 hours, that might not be the case. But we will work hard to meet your criteria to help you get out from underneath your mortgage and save your credit so you can buy a home in the future. You don't want a foreclosure on your record, obviously. So that's why we're here to help. Even if you owe more than it's worth, there are transactional contracts in place that can free you from your home mortgage. If you're going through a divorce, I completely understand. I've been a paralegal. Whether you are about to go through foreclosure, I mean, there's a lot of life changes and people need out of their mortgage. They want to be able to save their credit and have someone come in and buy their house for cash. So if you'd like a cash offer, you can go to BuyMyHouse.Today. I'll put the information below. We'll make you a cash offer as soon as we get the details. Find out whether your home is in disrepair. If it is, then if you have some kind of a cost estimate that will help us, then that's just about all we need. So whatever it is that you need to sell your house fast, if you're looking to urgently get out of your mortgage payment, then feel free to contact me directly. I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.